Hello, today I'll show you how you can log into your Yahoo account. So still there are lots of exciting Yahoo features like Tumblr, Yahoo Answer and Yahoo News. There are lot more to browse. So I'll just show you how you can log into your Yahoo account. So first you need to open your web browser and on the new tab type www.yahoo.com. That's the official website, as you all know. So the home page is basically we can see different types of news, we can see the weathers, and we can see other trending things that are on internet. So basically the home page is a news portal, and here are the options like would you like to access email, mail, news, finance, sports. Yeah, these are the categories. So I'll just show you how you can sign in. On the top right, here's the sign in option. Just click on that and put the email that your account have, like suppose xyz@yahoo.com. So I'm just showing you the example, that's not the actual username or email. Alright, so yeah, they told me that they don't recognize this account here. That's correct. Alright, so once you put your email, on the next page you'll have to enter your password and then you are signed into Yahoo. So that's all. So signing into Yahoo is pretty simple and can be done in a couple of steps. So just here's the sign, click on this and put your email, then you can uncheck this stay signed in option, then you can go to next page, put your password and the signing will be completed. Thank you so much for watching.